welcome to a Vampy Games tutorial. This time we're going to be making an inventory for your character. So I'm just going to start off by making the stage a bit bigger. So 700 by 600. Right, the second thing what I'm going to do is move everything out of the way. Just group all the money in a corner with the character, and also make the money sign a bit closer, like so. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the inventory. So you just click out, and if you want to make the curved edges like so, while you're dragging, keep hold of the down button and sort of adjust it to whatever one you like. And I'm just going to have a small inventory. I'm going to leave a space for a title at the top there. So we also want a lighter coloured one. So you just choose a lighter colour, and just check if it fits. And if it does, that's good. So I'm just going to make mine a bit thinner that way, and see if it will still work, because you want to be able to fit the inventory title at the top here. So yeah, just move it to where you find it comfortable. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Right, so I'm just going to zoom in and get rid of these little gaps here by using the fill tool. But the rest of this tutorial is pretty simple, I would say. Right, so here's your inventory. Make a text box and make sure it's static text and inventory. Right, I'm just going to make it bold and black. And I'm going to put this at the top here. So there you have your box which says inventory. Right, this next bit is pipsqueak. Double click on one of them and convert it to a symbol and make it a movie clip and this registration point in the middle. And just do the same with all of these. Right, now after you've finished this, you need to create the items what your character's going to pick up. So I'm just going to have a red one, like so, a green one, and I'll have a yellow one. I'll just have it a bit darker. Right, so we have our items, and what we want to do is you need to convert this to a symbol. You need to separately convert these all to symbols, so they're like that. Now I have some codes here which are going to be in the description, but this is for the items, and if you see, you need the char for your character guy here, and you'll also notice that it has addToSlot. This will set it into these different ones here. So if we just carry on, put them in here. Right, the next thing what we're going to do is give these the instance names of itemslot 1, itemslot 2, and itemslot 3. And that's pretty much it for the inventory. Yeah, so when you go into these, they will appear up here. But we also need another one in the frame. So just click on the frame and click Actions. And you see I've already put it in here, but you would normally need this code here, which will be in the description. It's currentslotnum 1. I'll just put the code back for the money. But it's just the code so that when you touch these, it will go into the inventory. Now, I'm going to move the money code back where it came from. And I'm just going to zoom in on here. Because if you actually look, when you take these away, there's gaps behind them, so just take everything out of the way. Hold on. I just want to fill the back quickly, so I'm just going to go down 3 on each of them. And fill. Fill, fill, and fill. And if you notice, if you then take it off, it'll be full, so. And this should make it so that it works okay. You can make it more if you like. You don't just have to have 3 item slots. You can have more or less if you like. You can just have the one. But I'm just gonna drag around some money. To put around the place. And I'm gonna dot the items about. And it doesn't actually matter what order you pick your items up in. They will always go in the order that you pick them up in. So there won't be like the red one going last, then the green one going first, and the yellow. Yeah. So you start the game up. You just collect the coins as normal, and then when you come into one of these, it will go into the inventory there. So I'm just going about, and I go for the yellow one, and then I get more money, and there'll be a green one. So yeah, that's it so far. Okay.